All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about Active Directory recyclement. So this has been a feature that's been added to Active Directory since about 2008. It's kind of a disabled feature or hidden feature that's there that you can use to your own benefits. I think that when you're building out your Active Directory, this should also be a part of your build. Now, some administrators might see differently where only turn it on as needed, but I think you should turn it on in the beginning because when you have to go and find stuff later on, it's already there and it's accessible. All right, so there are multiple ways, as you know, with Windows, you can do certain things. So let's go ahead and I'm going to fire up my domain controller and we're going to take a look at Active Directory and where it's located. So how do we turn this on? Well, it's an easy feature. If you go on the Windows Administrative Tools, you're looking for Active Directory Administrative Center, ADAC, some folks call it, which is the abbreviations. You do not or should not confuse it with ADUC, which is the users and computers, or the sites and services. Okay, sometimes it can get a little bit confusing, so just remember where you're working at. This is the admin center. So we're going to go ahead and open it. By default, it looks almost like the server panel. So that configuration manager area that always pops up when you turn on the computer for the first time, it almost looks like that, where you can manage a lot of stuff for Active Directory as well here. Your domain, the FQDN should show up right here, and you will see that I'm logged in right there. Right, so your NetBIOS name will pop up, as you can see, Chief, what is actually the full name, right? So if you click that, you'll see a whole bunch of stuff that falls into the domain, systems, and all that stuff. Like I said, you can use here for administration. Now, how you turn this off? You just want to right-click on the name and go ahead and turn it off. Right here, turn it on, I'm sorry. So you would want to enable your recycling bin here. This is the easiest way to go ahead and just enable it. All right, so how do you turn it on in PowerShell? So simple, you just go ahead and click Start, run PowerShell, and we can check first to see if this is turned on. So inside of PowerShell right here, we're going to go ahead and copy. And this script is something that was already written out, so it's easy for you to copy this or just type it in, and we'll show you right here that this is not turned on. So whenever you see EnabledScope with this little bracket right here, it means that this is not turned on. Now, you can turn it on back into the admin center, which is the easiest way, or you can try to turn it on in PowerShell and do it the hard way, like I like to do, and try to figure out the script to get it up and running. It's not hard. You just got to figure out right there. So I think I messed up with the name. I didn't put the, as you can see, the added quotation right there. So right there, as you can see, it will say enabling recycle bin feature on yada yada yada. It is irreversible action, and you will not be able to disable the recycle bin feature later on. What I like about this is that when you do it in PowerShell, it prompts you. So you have the time to decide if you want to do it, or yes or no. You can type Y for yes, A to yes all, and all that stuff, right? Easy peasy. From here, you just select which one you want to do. Obviously, we'll do A. You'll select all, and you'll go ahead and turn on this feature as needed. Okay, that's really it. Just to correct this, let me go ahead and fix this command because I think I typed it out, had it wrong, and I can put this also in the description if you wanted to. So you see how funny these little quotations are. So sometimes like right there, and they don't match up. Even though they look alike, this will give you a problem, right? So you just want to go ahead and fix it so they look alike. There you go. And that's what you're looking for. So if you're having issues with the, just need to check your codes just as a TTP, okay? All right. So I will also try to put this in the comments below. So if you want to use PowerShell to do it, you'll have the code is. Just remember right here to change it to your own domain name structure, and you should be good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a really easy clip how to enable the recycle bin in Admin Center for your Windows 22 box on Active Directory. By all means, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a buzz so that we can continue making videos and you can continue to watch them. Until next time, ciao.